Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is just another shop update for the garage. We got some new lighting we picked up from Newage. Just kind of want to give them a try since I have their drawers and stuff, and saw that they made some linkable lights. Right now I'm running the infamous Amazon lights. They're pretty nice for what they are. They're very budget friendly. Cost like, I don't know, I think they come with like 6 of them and they're only like 50 bucks around there. So, but they go out eventually. Some only last me a year, some 6 months, but I already lost 2 when I repainted the ceiling. This stopped working, so I'm gonna test these out. I'm gonna put these right here, kind of in this area here, and then I'm gonna move those 2 lights somewhere over there, kind of get them out of the way. But yeah, let me just go ahead and open these really quick. Alright, let's see what's in this little box. These might be brackets and stuff, and some wiring. Yep, comes with some wiring. I think this is kind of overkill, especially since it's just 2. Look at that, 1, 2. Then it comes with this long one, which is better be long enough. Alright guys, well here they are out of the box. They look really nice, pretty thick. I got 2 of them, like I said. They connect with these linkable little cord things, or you can connect them together with this. But yeah, so that you can either do that, or you can take them apart. There's wiring in here that you can hot wire mount it, I guess, onto your ceiling, and you can use hard wire to connect these. You don't have to use what I'm going to use, which is connecting them to an outlet. You can connect them to your ceiling light, which is pretty cool if you want to take that extra step and run some wires through here. They do have punch outs in the back. They got 3 of them, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. And yeah, easy to mount because you just take them apart and you just drill the holes where you want these, and that's exactly how you mount these up. And then once you mount them, you reconnect the LED to the base, because there's a wire in here that you disconnect from the LED. And once you got the base up there, you can reconnect the base, and yeah, and the light will work. So I'm just gonna use this for now, because right now that's what I'm doing with all this right now. I only have 1 light here and only 1 wiring for the lighting, so there's no way I'm gonna do that. I'm not an electrician or anything, so definitely I'm not gonna do that. Maybe later down the road, but for now I'll stick to these, using this plug, because yeah, just in case they'll go out, they're easy to replace and stuff. So yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take these down and plug in my new one. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do that really quick. Alright guys, well there it is. Got it all installed on the ceiling. These are the Newage lights. These are the linkable ones, so that way you can link them up as many as 6 and have them here nice and neat. And yeah, so the reason I put them all offset right here instead of more that way is because I want to have enough lighting to work on stuff that I need to work on the bench here. Definitely lights it up really well. I have the rest of the garage off right now, and it is enough light to work on anything I want to work on here. So yeah, again, if you guys want to check these out, these are the Newage. The only thing is I did get the white ones, and I'm not too sure they're gonna have any more white ones because they are discontinued, which kind of sucks because I do want to get more white ones to put on this side because I have no more lighting on this side. The light starts there, but it's pretty dark right here, so I definitely want to order another set just to have extend this all the way over here. Anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it guys. I hope you guys like these little videos. I know they're not about the cars or anything, but just kind of want to show you guys some budget stuff that I'm checking out, and hope you check out if you guys want to build some stuff for your garage. Like I said, I got this last week and it has been working fine, and it does the job. And plus these are all in white. They have different colors, but I do want it in white just so I can match everything that I got going on with the vacuum and everything. But yeah, overall I do like how this all turned out. I do want to move some stuff around right here, like this power extender. I do want to move it somewhere else out of the way here because it is kind of an eyesore. I just put it there in the middle because if I'm gonna go outside, this will reach all the way outside, like for anything that I need, you know, and it works fine. So I just hate that it's right there, right in the middle. So I don't know if I'm gonna move it, but because overall it looks fine. It's I don't know, it's just not, I don't know. Kind of want to put it where the power washer is and just have it on that side, which would be pretty cool, and have this whole entire area all cleared out. And then I definitely want to see if I can get this routed differently or something, because it does route to the garage doors, and that's what helps the garage doors open and close. But you know, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. We got these lights, and right now I have everything else turned off, but watch when I turn everything on how bright it gets in here. It is enough lighting to wrap a car perfectly, and then enough lighting right there to work on the car. So I definitely want to pick up some more because they're pretty bright and they're inexpensive. So I'll get 2 more here, and then I'll see about getting some more for either 1 row there and 1 row there, or just kind of going sideways like that. I would just have to figure out a way to get some wiring. But the cool thing about these are linkable, so if I can get an electrician to wire some lights from that thing, take that off and wire 2 lights going that way, and then just start from right there, going boom, boom, and it'll look nice. But I'm not gonna worry about that right now. I'm just gonna enjoy these Amazon lights for as long as they last me. And stay tuned for the next videos because we are going to be going to Subi Fest. But we're going in WX, so stay tuned for some mods that we're going to be doing on the WX just to make it look a little nicer while we're out there. And so I could take some pictures, because I definitely want to take some pictures while I'm in California, or I think we're going to head up north a little bit after Subi Fest. So definitely want to take some pictures of the car while we're out there. So yeah, stay tuned. We're going to add some mods, and then also I'm going to swap out the STI wheels, the T37s, and put them on here for now, so we can take those, so I can look like a complete car. Right now I'm running stock wheels, and they are just stock wheels, you know. So the T37s in white are going to look really nice with this blue. And yeah, so I might enter it and see what they say, if they like how it looks, because it's just going to be aesthetics wise. There's not going to be no more performance or anything, but if they like how it looks, then we'll enter it and yeah, show it off a little bit with the T37s and some mods that I'm going to throw on it. I'll show you guys in the next video. But yeah, the car is completely stock, but it is lowered on some cowl springs. It does have an AFD front grille, and then an MVR grille, and then it has the axle back. I think it's the nameless axle back, or it might be Remark. I don't remember. And then we got the carbon fiber little duckbill thing there. So So I'm gonna add some more stuff this week before Subi Fest, and then we're gonna swap over the STI wheels. And I can't wait how this car's gonna look really nice with the STI wheels. I was gonna put the D9Rs, but couldn't get those painted, and we don't have tires for them, and we don't have enough time to get tires and paint those wheels. So the TEs are just gonna have to do it for now. Plus the TEs got new tires, so it's gonna be great for a road trip. But yeah, so stay tuned, guys, and I cannot wait to show you guys how the WX looks with some TEs. All right, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace out.